I don't know. Feels okay. Feels like my 18th cast. It's like a rainbow. I'm running up here. It's a nice sized rainbow though. Get him up here so I can net his ass. There we go. Yes. Alright, we got another decent one here. Right around 18 inches or so. Hopefully I just didn't have something fell out of my pocket there, but let's take a look at the sucker before we let him go. Look at that. That is a beautiful 18, 19-inch rainbow. Is that not another thing of beauty? There it goes. Yes. Good start to the evening. It's going to be a late one tonight. Got a jumper. Almost time to put the headlamp on here. That was pretty awesome though. Nothing like a jumper to liven things up. Feels moderate. Definitely taking a run. Oh my goodness. I don't know if he's as big as the last one, but he's fighting harder. I love these rainbows. They are not afraid to give you a battle. Oh my goodness. Sorry, cut bow. Let's see the colors and slash from over here. That's a good fish. Almost the same size as the last one, not quite. Alright, we got another nice one. Beautiful cut bow, probably around 17 inches. It's fat. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. 17, 18 inches. We're going to get him back out there too. My goodness, beautiful fish. Starting off to be a pretty decent night. Another one that picked it up off the surface. I don't think he's as big. We'll see. Feels okay, but he's in the current. The fish picked it up right off the surface. It's an okay fish too. You can hardly see anything. It's going to be really dark here in a little while. Let's see what we can do here. So we can get this guy in. It's right here close. It's a decent fish too. Where's he going? Going upriver. Oh. Another rainbow. My goodness, we're running. Alright, here's what we got. Another nice long duck dong one. Right at, I don't know if you guys can see it, right at 17 inches. Ooh, right at 17 inches. Just a purdy fish. Look at that sucker. Oh! I almost just lost my net. Woo! That would have sucked. Alright, boys and girls, I think it's starting to get too dark to even film here, so I may not torture you with a bunch of dark screens and just basically turn the camera on here just if I get something in, but I don't know, we'll see if they're going to bite tonight. It's a good sign that I already got a couple lot of times this time of year, uh, right before the sun comes up or even a couple hours after it goes down, it can be pretty hot and heavy. A lot of the big fish just like to feed at dark. So I'm going to move up and down Stretcher River here a little bit. I'm supposed to go meet my buddy Skinny, the legend, late night. So we'll see if we can pull in a big one or two after dark. And alright, so me and my buddy Skinny, the legend, are out here trying to do a little bit of after dark fishing. Sometimes it can be really good, and I'm not saying it's really good tonight, but it's been lots of bites, lots of fish that have hooked up and then gotten off. They just, well, they use their lateral line to, as Skinny calls it, they use their fish force to try to find stuff to attack and eat. Thus far their fish force hasn't been real good because had several that have swung, missed, hooked up, got off, including a really large fish that I had on for about 10 seconds in the pitch dark up above from here where there was no lights, but it was a large fish. So we got 2 or 3 more spots we're going to check after this, so hopefully we get something halfway decent to film and show here. He doesn't feel very big, but yeah. It's got a nice head shake though. Come on, please be a brown. It's running straight up here at me. Whoa. Motherfucker. I think he's another rainbow. Yeah, it's not killing. Ugh. Yeah, that's a good fish. Yeah. Gotta love these.
Look at that.
Shit, yeah. That's a fatty. Oh yeah. Oh god, that thing's like a fucking 3-pounder, dude. Alright, fishing with the legend. He brought me some luck. You know what we got here? He's probably, he's almost 20. He's about 19. But he's fat. Look at that son of a bitch. I can get him out of here. Look at that. It's still amazing how these fish get so big in this river. Is he gonna go? There he goes. Nice! Fucking A, doggy dink. I think. Dinker. He's jumping. He's just a little guy though. Come on, you fucker. Oh, brown, finally! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fucking weeks, and he's not real big, but I'm gonna take a brown. Look at this. Alright, that took a long time. Couldn't see the hook. It's a little brownie. Well, maybe 12 inches. I get a couple. Alright, I know it's darker than shit, but finally got a little brown, and I was trying to get a picture there of him, and of course they do what browns do. He flopped out of my hands. He's gonzo back to the depths, so hopefully he gets a little bit bigger, because that's a nice fish and a fighter, but not the size we're looking for. We're looking for the big ones that are out here, and we know that they're here. So we're gonna, I don't know, we got another half an hour or so until it gets too late. We have to go home, get some sleep for our day jobs. Nobody likes their day job. Too bad we can't fish all the time. First cast. Huh? It's taking some fucking line. know if he's that big, but he slammed it. Where's he at? Is he behind the rock? Tell me he's behind. I don't think he's that big, skinny. Sorry, buddy. He was right in the side of that rock right there. He's got a little bit of a head shake. Another rainbow. Where the hell is he going? Ugh. Oh, that's why he was so angry. Ish. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. There he goes. Alright, Bubba. Got a head shake. Good head shake. Look at this. That's a good head shake, so maybe he's good. He's not doing anything now. He's coming right up here. Now he's not big again. God dang it. About the same size as the last one. It's about the same size as the last one. Fucking bullshit. Look at the spots. I don't think they're seeing it, man.